Another stock moving higher ahead of earnings is Nvidia, having doubled in market value since March, eclipsed Intel as the largest market cap of a chip maker. Josh Lipton has more on an incredible run for Nvidia. Josh.
Yeah, incredible is right, John. Heading into this earnings report, Nvidia has been on just a tear. Pull up that chart. You'll see that stock has jumped now more than 100% so far this year. It's up about 15% this month alone, as you mentioned, with a market cap now approaching $300 billion. It easily surpasses Intel. And I'll say much of that credit for this company's success goes directly to CEO Jensen Huang. As one put it to me, Jensen is Nvidia. He sees the opportunity and seizes on it. And now he has big tailwinds at his back. One, its chips, remember, are used in the data center. So as more people now work, learn, and play at home, that results in greater demand for the cloud services that rely on its technology. Two, its chips are used to improve video game performance in PCs and notebooks. That, of course, is a big deal as more people are looking for in-home entertainment due to the pandemic. And now Jensen could be ready to pull the trigger on a headline-making acquisition, too, with reports suggesting that he's interested in buying ARM, and that would be huge. Nvidia is the world's largest graphics chip maker. A GPU is a processor that helps generate images and accelerate AI, but with ARM, it would become a big player in what's known as the CPU market as well. That's the primary brain in most computing devices, another potential challenge for Intel. Carl, back to you.
That ARM issue is a big one. To me, it was weird being with SoftBank to begin with, but ARM sort of has to be this neutral player almost in the market because they supply technology and designs for so many, Qualcomm, Apple. What do you think would be the impact if Nvidia were to have a hold of that as well?
No, that's a great point, John. So obviously, if Nvidia really does pursue that purchase of ARM, you would expect regulatory scrutiny. And to your point, there are a lot of companies that license ARM technology, and they would want assurances that they're going to still have access to that tech, even if a potential rival like Nvidia decides to pursue and buy them. Of course, you would expect CEO Jensen Huang to be aware of those same questions and challenges and have answers to them. I think, of course, investors today, when Nvidia reports after the bell, are hoping for any kind of color and commentary they can get about these reports, guys.